Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce building permit fees with CityData. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the CityData website. Create a free account if you haven't already. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the building permits section of the website. Input the specific details about your project. Select your city from the drop-down menu. Review the available data on local building permit fees. Look for any applicable discounts or fee waivers. Analyze the zoning regulations that may impact your fees. Contact the local building department if you have questions. Gather necessary documentation to support your application. Utilize CityData's resources to compare fees in different areas. Make a list of potential cost-saving adjustments to your project. Apply any eligible exemptions or financial assistance options. Submit your permit application online through the CityData platform. Wait for confirmation of your application submission. Monitor the status of your application through your CityData account. Adjust your application if further revisions are needed. Once approved, review your final permit fee based on adjustments made. Keep all documentation for future reference and potential appeals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.